Um, the BHEL team is going to make a presentation on the development of this disinfectant spraying machine. We call it the Bell Mister to combat COVID-19 pandemic. Permit me to introduce Mr. Ramalingeshwar Rao, who is working as a senior manager in the water systems engineering of BHEL Ranipet. He'll be making the presentation on behalf of BHEL. And just before he makes his presentation, yours truly is Ramakrishna, Additional General Manager in BHEL Ranipet, a team lead for this project. And I would just like to give you a small brief before he takes over and makes the presentation through to you.
Sir, just a humble request, because the presentation is scheduled for 15 minutes only. So please be precise towards your presentation and in time, sir. That's a humble request.
Done, sir, done.
Okay, please.
Okay, as the reports of this lockdown of industries, public utilities, and transportation came unexpectedly, operation across the country and the world were in the process of scaling down or shutting down completely. And the response to this shocking change was dealt with by BHEL to address this transition and also focusing on the continuity that we have to do.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Are you playing any presentation?
Yes.
But we are not able to see it on the screen. Could you please share your screen, please?
I'm sharing it right now.
Yeah, please.
So I guess you get it?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. So we needed to sustain the sense of identity and the purpose in spite of this life-threatening change very aptly. The nomination that we have applied for exemplifies BHEL capability and commitment to deliver results and successfully implement so that we can take up new priorities and making a template for opening new vistas of business. With these few words and your permission, Mr. Rao will take over. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much for your introduction, sir. Sir, very good morning to all, sir. I welcome you all to the presentation on the Bell Mister. So coming to this, actually, necessity is the mother of invention. This proverb suits well for this Bell Mister, sir, actually. So this drive started with a request from the Ranipet district authorities for the manufacture of one disinfectant spraying equipment. So all that started like this, sir. So on 21st March, we got the request from the district authorities. So as soon as we got the request from the district authorities, we were on our toes as it is a requirement for the society. So initially we have some brainstorming session and ideas started flowing. So within 24 hours, we can develop our concept, that is Bell Mister concept, and we have issued the drawing to the shop or production shop. Immediately our shop people responded and they have prepared the materials required for the Bell Mister, raw materials, and also whatever components required for the Bell Mister, we are using the available materials we have located in our shop itself. Nothing is procured as it was a lockdown situation. So once after starting the manufacturing, they were able to make the prototype ready within 24 hours. And also we are able to do the fine tuning and improvisation within that time itself. So finally the assembly was completed and the prototype was ready by 27th March, that is within 3 days from the date of demand. And finally we hand over the Bell Mister to customer on 28th March. So within 4 days, this timeline was completed, sir. So this is regarding the principle and operation of the Bell Mister, sir. The Bell Mister consists of major blower for blowing the air and one pump and nozzles and some piping and valves. So actually, initially the solution will be prepared one tank. From the tank, the solution will be pumped through the pump and it will be passed through the nozzles where the water gets atomized, and the atomized spray will be blown into the air by a blower. So these are the major equipment of the Bell Mister, and the spray range it can cover is from 10 to 20 meters. So from the end of the Bell Mister it can go up to 20 meters, sir. And the water flow rate is very minimal. It is around 1 to 2 meters per hour. And other facilities required are one DG set, DG generator set, and a water tank. So this is regarding uniqueness of our Bellmister. So actually BHEL manufactures all the equipment related to power plant. So here it is an exception, and we are having a different product for a particular pass. Second thing is we executed this in the shortest possible time. Within 4 days, we executed the Bellmister. And third thing is material available. Because since it was a lockdown situation, we were unable to get the materials. We had to locate the materials within the shop itself, and with the existing materials, we had developed the prototype. And the fourth thing is this was the unique domain of mass sanitation for COVID-19. And it also opened the different vistas for the additional business growth areas. So these are the challenges we faced. That the time span that is very less. It was yesterday, as you can see. So the requirement was very immediate, and the shortage of material and the availability of material, because all the shop outlets were closed. We are unable to get the materials, and we are forced to get the materials within the factory itself. And third thing is manpower. Hardly any manpower, because 10% of the staff are working due to the lockdown. So through this Bellmister, we have demonstrated the core values of company, that is governance, excellence, and loyalty, innovation, commitment, and teamwork. And after supply of Bellmister, we are having the 24/7 customer support. And as and when any problem they face, we are troubleshooting the problems within the next few minutes or hours over the phone calls. And we are getting calls even at midnight also, we are able to solve the problems. And till now we have supplied around more than 120 numbers of Bellmisters all over the country. And also we developed the product variants like 1 HP motor and 2 HP motor based on the requirement, and we standardized the product. And also we shared our product to our sister units, where they have catered to the respective local requirements. As you can see in the picture, sir, it is we have supplied 12 numbers on the track. You can see 12 numbers to the Orissa government. We have deployed the equipment planned throughout India, and also we got appreciations from the end users, district authorities, and health officials immediately once we deployed after the usage. And also it has come in various newspapers and articles also. The equipment whichever we supplied to Vizag municipality, they were using for the styrene gas leakage, to suppress the effect of styrene gas leakage at the thing. So it was used for different purposes also. Even it was used for sanitation of Udyog Bhavan and MHA office also. And also in our power plant sites, they were using the equipment for the dust suppression. So now, after this Bellmister, we are thinking of scaling up the Bellmister to Bellmini, that is smaller version of Bellmister. Earlier, the Bellmister range was 10 to 20 meters. Here, the range will be 5 to 6 meters, wherein it will be used to sanitize within the rooms and in-house offices. You can see the scalability. You can see in the right side figure. So that is a major one, and the bottom one is a smaller one. And also we are having plan to supply this Bell Major, that is will be used for dust suppression system in coal mines and construction sites and other power plants also. So these are the champions listed.
No, this is a very useful device you have designed and put into application. You know, now it is both at two types. You have, one is smaller one with the 5 meters odd, and other one is up to 20 meters. Are you planning to have in a larger, coverage with more vigorous, device? Yes. And also, has the efficacy of this machine and the spray, etc., that you are doing has been, tested?
Absolutely, sir. You're right, sir. In fact, before we deployed it to the external agency, the first prototype itself, we had tested it in our shop, and we measured it to go about 12 meters. In fact, we have been a little modest. The distance that it went was about 15 meters. But for contractual obligations and other aspects, we have given a guarantee limit up to 12 meters, sir.
No,
then
but my question was, does it have any side effect on the people working, or it's coming in under its coverage?
Sir, this is basically to be deployed when the people are not present in the area of the sanitization. That is, generally what advice we have given to the operators is that they have to see that the mister operates in the direction of the wind. That is, the wind blows and is favoring the dust of the mist to
Right.
be deployed towards the lee side, we will say.
Now, if it is if it is done in the four walls, so wind direction cannot be judged.
Absolutely, sir. That is the reason why I have given you 12 meters. And when the wind is there, it goes 15 meters, maybe maximum, or a little more. So the benchmark would be without wind. And
one operation, how long it works?
the operation is, we have designed the system in such a way and also operates. It can work 24/7, sir.
24/7. And the effectiveness of these, whatever you spray, lasts for how long?
If I use the system, the limitation is with the tank, the capacity of the tank and the logistics, wherein we have given about 2000 liters. And it works to about 4 to 5 hours continuously. Sir, I will also put up one point. You have asked for the higher size. Yes, the prototype is in the anvil, and we have completed the design for a 50-meter range system. This will be deployed for dust suppression in the open areas, coal mines, or any other kinds of mines and systems. That is already in progress, sir.
Now, since many other users are opting, like in Government of Odisha, Vizag municipality, and are you thinking of going in a bigger way, making the technology made available to the countries beyond
Absolutely.
India?
Right
You have
now,
a business. You have a business model for this, for expansion?
we have a business model for expansion. It is with our management for the decision to take it up further. But right now, we would be concentrating within India, and especially even to take care of the other requirements like fighting against the local pandemics of villages, and also trying to adapt it for agricultural use also.
And what is the unit cost, small one and a bigger one?
The small one would be for maneuverability. That is, I can take it in my hand and take it across to a room. It's weighing around maybe 4 to 5 kilos.
And how much it costs?
The one which we have made, we have sold it for about 3.5 lakhs each, without considering some additional cost which we have taken it into our fold. That is, it was also what you can call.
Will not be for domestic use. So will not be for domestic use, even the small one.
The small one can be used within offices, conferences halls, then even hotels, rooms, wherein they can sanitize the individual rooms of guests or hospitals. It is possible.
No, that is official use where you do a commercial basis, whether it is hotels or so. What I'm saying is domestic use, it cannot be used.
Domestic,
yeah.
Right now, no, madam, we don't have.
You have done it for sanitization, but it can be also carried out for malaria or dengue sprays.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, correct.
The same thing, depending on the liquid. I mean, the sanitizer you change.
Absolutely right. You're right. You're right.
This is one. And when you said about the coal, what I presume is you are spraying water for the coal or dust particle to settle down.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
It can be for anti-pollution also.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. It is an anti-pollution device. Yes, you're right.
So it can work in both ways.
It can work in any way.
Sanitization as well as anti-pollution.
Yes, yes.
Good. Very good.
The medium only will change.
How is it anti-pollution way? Could you elaborate on that?
So the
sprinkle water and the dust particle will settle down.
Yeah.
But no, that's that the water spraying with coal mines they do otherwise. But the question is that it is also spreading some chemicals, isn't it? In form of disinfection.
No, you put water. Don't put any.
I'm asking him, please.
Sir, I'll answer your question. Here, the dust suppression in coal mines is done basically with water. The issue
yeah,
here
that's
is,
right.
yeah, the issue here is,
They have
you are-
spray guns, they do that.
yeah, here the particle size of the coal dust being maybe in the order of 50 to 100 microns or 120 microns, the water particle that should go and collide with it. Using
No,
our
but thing is
principles.
that you see, if you use it in coal mines, getting into deep inside the coal and taking this equipment, unless it's a small one, isn't
Yes.
it a difficult thing?
Generally, this will be used in open cast coal mines, sir.
Right, open cast, like
Open
in
cast, yes, yes.
Meghalaya and part of Bihar.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now the question is, see, what is the demand size of? I mean, how much demand you have at the moment in terms of numbers across the state country?
So for the bell mister, we
Mhm.
have given about 100, more than 120 units, and that
Alright.
all within a span of 2 to 3 months.
Okay, okay. And your production strength is how much per month, say?
So for this, we had deployed around 30 employees in the workshop who have been working 2 shifts a day.
How many devices they produce in a month, or any
This
time?
was around, if I will be roughly, I can say around 30 devices per month per shift.
That's great. That's 30 devices per month. Okay, thank you. Excellent, excellent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you, both the gentlemen.
Thank
now-
you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, I would like